The indoor gardening industry is growing, and so are we. Hi, my name is Hannah from HTG Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing AgroMax's premier houseplant LED, the HomeGlow Flex series. Let's get into it. The HomeGlow Flex series has two options, the Flex 2 and the Flex 4. Even though one has 2 bars and one has 4, they share a lot of the same features, such as dimmable output, multi-spectrum with 3 lighting modes, a built-in shut-off timer, 360-degree flexible arms, and it's ETL listed. The HomeGlow is perfect for houseplants. It has very sleek packaging, and both are super affordable. The Flex 2 and Flex 4 are under $50. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to open these up. Starting with the Flex 4, when you open it up, you have your 4-headed lamp base, 6-foot power cable, and you also have your sturdy tripod that adjusts from 30 to 75 inches. Next, the Flex 2. When you open up the Flex 2, you will see the 2-headed light fixture with a clip-on base and a 2.5-foot power cable. Each power cord is a 120-volt standard cable, and both include easy-to-follow directions. Taking a closer look at the Flex 2, it has 2 flexible arms, and it has a very sturdy clip. Moving on to the Flex 4, you have 4 flexible arms and a base that attaches to your tripod. The Flex 4 is super easy to assemble, so let me show you how. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this black protective cap at the end of your tripod, just like that. Now that you removed your black protective cap, you're going to want to grab your 4-headed lamp base as well as your tripod, and you're going to want to screw them together. So now that you have your 2 pieces together, you just extend out the legs and tighten the knot. And remember, the Flex 4 is adjustable, so it could be this height or this height. On each power cable, you'll notice a built-in controller panel. On the top, you have the button that adjusts the output. There are 4 different settings. Below that, you have the button that adjusts the spectrum. There are 3 different settings. First, you have the red and blue light. This enhances foliage growth, fruiting, and flowering. Next, you have the 3000K warm light. This mimics sunlight for natural plant growth. Lastly, you have the cool white light, the best of both worlds. This takes your plants from veg to bloom. And don't forget, each light mode has 4 different adjustable outputs. Third, you have an adjustable shut-off timer that includes 8 hours, 12 hours, and 16 hours. This allows for a natural day-to-night plant cycle. Last but not least, you have the power button. Powering down. So let's recap what we learned today. The HomeGlow Flex series are plug and play and ready to go out of the box. The multi-spectrum and dimmable output gives you a variety of options. They are available in 2-bar and 4-bar options. They are super affordable, both are under $50. Let's not forget how it got its name. I mean, this thing is super flexible. And that wraps up the HomeGlow series unboxing. My name is Hannah, and I'll see you in the next one.